Another interesting example is the use of reinforcement with fabrics that are difficult to work and keep fit. The mask is made with a three-dimensional fabric covered with sequins and threads woven in relief. The tip, however, is made of satin. The coupled reinforcement will have the dual purpose of serving as a basis to keep the edges well outlined before finishing, and to preserve the shape of the pieces given during assembly and laying on the form. The satin edge is normally sewn on the reinforcement. The tip is finished by bending the edge on the sharp cut of the reinforcement slightly more often, this time by 0.7 millimeters. In this way, the same material will also be used as a tip during assembly. Significant advantage from every point of view. When the upper is finished, there is no anti-aesthetic sign from the outside due to the change in thickness, or use of two different thicknesses of the same reinforcement. The two components of the upper are then sewn together normally. The model object of this video, a fashion summer sneaker for women, it was made of white fabric, like sandwich mesh, very used in this kind of shoes. The STARTEX thermo-adhesive reinforcement is coupled only along the entire shaped edge of the upper, so that the subsequent stitching and turning of the edge of black fabric it is well uniform and compact. At the same time, also the three straps, in black fabric more resistant. They have been completely reinforced with a heat adhesive layer as if they were strips of a sandal. At least two of these three straps will be subjected to drafts and tensions. Once the upper is finished, we can highlight some important details. The plastic reinforcement is not noticed from the outside even if it has not been deliberately thinned. This partial thickness has improved the tightness of the upper design even after the edging in combination with the traditional canvas, the total thickness of the upper, including lining, is about 3 millimeters. It is durable but does not weigh down the look of this upper casuzzle.